Happy morning, guys! We briskly walk our way to buy fresh fish catch from a fish vendor. On our way there, you see the road is wide, though rough and sandy, and wilted leaves litter the wayside. The coastal community is protected against violent waves by Miyapi mangroves. These are tropical plants, thrive in loose, muddy, and salty soil. They serve as protection from storms, nurseries for wildlife, and recreation for people. Here, beachgoers take shelter under sprawling leaves to avoid the sweltering heat of the sun on a regular beach day. As you approach a nearby village, a fern that grows in a warm, humid environment is observed. Planted following the path, birds nest prettily dotted the side with greenery. And who could not notice the coconut trees that grows here as well, propagated tidally along the twisting, rough way. And finally, the bougainvillea. These flowering plants, colorful and vibrant as they invite you to bathe a new day with vitality and optimism. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.